guys, good morning. So cravings ako guys sa cheese stick roll. Ayan, so gagawa ko, preparing my cheese stick roll kasi may tira pa akong cheese guys. Oh, nat-cut ko na siya guys, and then bumili ako ng wrapper. Mahal ng wrapper guys, so kaya maliit lang ginawa ko. Yan lang guys. Nag-Shanghai kasi ako yesterday. So, may tira siya. So, mahal. So, yan, gagawa ako. Para mamaya, guys, habang nagre-relax tayo, kakain tayo ng cheese roll. Yan ang cheese stick roll ang tawag dyan. So, ayan, guys. I-roll lang natin, guys. Alam niyo, madali lang naman yung gawin. Yan lang. See you and God bless. Ay, naglalaway na ako guys. See you later. Kakain talaga ako nito. Thanks God for this. Craving must be satisfied guys. That's it.